Have you ever wanted to learn the sacred art of Byzantine iconography from the comfort of your own home? With ICONEONLINE's online courses, you can begin a true formative journey, deep and spiritual, guided step by step, even if you're just starting out. Learn the traditional techniques of iconography, the secrets of natural pigments, and the art of gilding. Each course is available in Italian, English, and Spanish, with professional videos on Vimeo, accessible anytime, anywhere. Many students from around the world have already begun this artistic and spiritual journey. The courses are designed for those who want to learn with dedication, without compromising on quality or attention to detail. Discover all the courses on our website. Follow us on Facebook. An icon is not painted, it is written. Start your journey today.